The Sonic Alert SBB 500SS Sonic Bomb Dual Alarm Clock with Super Shaker Bed Vibrator is the wake-up answer for the guy in the house that needs something extra to get out of bed. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or simply hard to wake. The Sonic Bomb offers many features such as unique 113 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control. Dual alarms to accommodate multiple sleepers and schedules. Built-in red flashing alert lights. A 5-level dimmer function to help you sleep sounder. The SS12 VW Super Shaker Bed Vibrating Unit will wake you silently while others sleep. Dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats. User selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes. User selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes. Improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week. New green power technology uses 60% less energy. Dual power capability when using a standard travel adapter. 1-year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty. Sleep well with the confidence of knowing you'll wake up on time.
So this is the Travelwey LED alarm clock, probably the most simple alarm clock in the world. There's no bells or whistles, it won't tell you the day of the week, it won't tell you the date, it won't tell you the temperature or the humidity, it's just a clock. It will tell you the time and it will wake you up in the morning with a nice loud alarm. Now the controls are extremely simple. You have alarm set, time set, you have a high and low alarm, the alarm on off which is coloured red so you can easily see it, and a dimmer switch. Now this is not your traditional high low dimmer switch, it's actually a variable dimmer. So you can actually dim the digits to your own eye's sensitivity. So if you're very sensitive to the light, you can dim it right down. Now this is perfect at night because most LED clocks will light up the whole room even at the low setting, but you can dim this right down so it won't light up the room and you can still see what the time is. There's also a night light just in case you have children that are scared of the dark or you want to get up at night and rather use that than use another lamp. And I'll show you how easy it is to set the alarm and to set the time. So all you do is you hold down one of these buttons. So for example, I'll do time set, so I'm going to hold time set down and I'm just going to hit the hour and the minute button to set the time. And then you let go and that's it, that's the time set. Now if you do go past 12, you'll see this light up here, which is the PM indicator. And likewise, if you go all the way through, it will disappear. This is only a 12-hour clock, it's not a 24-hour clock. Now to set the alarm, I'll do the same thing. I'll press alarm, I'll set the hour, I'll set the minute, let go, and now that's the alarm time set. The only thing left to do is to switch on the alarm with this red button. And you can see the indicator goes on here. Now it does have a snooze button which will snooze for 9 minutes, and it also has a battery backup with 2 AAA batteries, so that if there's an outage during the night, the time and the alarm will still be set, but the display will disappear. If you do need to know the time, then you can press the snooze button and the time will flash on for about 2 seconds. So really, if you just want a clock that tells the time and wakes you up in the morning, the Travelwey alarm clock is the perfect one for you.